Hey everyone, welcome to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru, and whether you are an engineering student or a hobbyist or a pro looking to sharpen your SolidWorks skill, this channel is built for you. Today we are modeling this connecting rod assembly. Hit the subscribe button and let's get designing. You can see here the connecting rod assembly is presenting. Let's do our design. Select a new part, okay, and then take any plane like front plane, top plane, right plane, and create a sketch. First we create some reference line for this design. Take a center line. First make a smart dimension of this lines on this line is 75 mm and create two circles at this point and take a smart dimension and create this a small circle at 20 mm and the next one is 38. Say it okay, and the next make these 2 points coincident and this line coincident. And make two circles at this point and take a smart dimension. First one is 64 mm and second one is 55 mm. It okay, and take a 3-point arc at this point say it okay. Select these two lines with control and make this relation tangent. Make this relation tangent. Say it okay. Go to features tab, take extrude box base and select this region and direction, select mid plane. Say it okay. After that this reference line will be removed. Go to this arrow button and select a sketch. Say so. Go to extrude box base, select this line or extrude it up to 30 mm at say it okay. Select extrude box base and select this line, select mid plane and select up to 30 mm. Say it okay. You can see here this upper part is complete. Now you will move from next part. Select extrude box base, select this line and extrude it up to 30 mm, right? Okay. Extrude cut, select this line and select 30 mm. Say it okay. You can see here. Select back panel for the other design. Select a sketch. Can move here. And first we have to select these lines and take convert entities and take a circle, smart dimension Give the dimensions are at 43 mm. Okay, go to features tab, select extrude boss base, reverse direction, extrude it up to 25 mm at here. Go to sketch, select circle, go to smart dimension, take this dimension as 34 mm and select this sketch, cut it, go to features tab, take, take extrude box base and extrude it up to 45 mm. Go to reverse direction, select, okay, you can see here the all designs are complete. Select hide button, the all sketches are, you can see. You can see here this exercise has completed. For color it, and go to appearance tab and select sorry, select any face, go to appearance tab and choose any color. You can see here, say it okay, and after that you can select any other face and go to edit appearance and choose any color. You have to color it. You can see here, it okay. I will color it too fast. So that's it for today. Let's build in this lab. If you found this useful, smash this like button and subscribe for more CAD tutorials. Drop a comment below on what we should model next. Until next time, keep designing and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.